And we're back to learning HTML, and this time I'm going to show you how to use the EM tag. It's the emphasis tag and it's used to emphasize elements in your text. Let me use the EM tag right here. It has a closing tag. I'll add it after this element. I'll save it, reload it, and you can see the default style for it is italic. We also have an italic tag. It's simply the I. So where's the difference? In formatting there is none. So both look the same by default. But the EM tag has a semantical meaning, so it emphasizes the text and makes it more important than the text that surrounds it. So when it comes to actually using I or EM, there's not much of a difference. There may be for search engines here and there, so if you have text that you want to emphasize, it's better to use the EM text instead of the I, but if you just want to style it, use the I. And this is how you can use the EM tag in HTML. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.